So we are now seeing that Dogecoin and the overall crypto market are back in the red. And in this video, I'm going to explain why we are seeing this crash and where we are headed from here. But before we move forward, I'd like to remind you that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber at the end of this month. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Good luck! So we are now seeing that the crypto market is down, and you are probably wondering why things are going down. So basically, the reason the crypto market is down is that we had leverage trading again recently. The leverage traders thought that they could outsmart the market when Bitcoin was going up, as it went up to just over $52,000. And these traders took leverage positions and long positions to bet that Bitcoin was going up. And this is why we saw that the crypto market went on the downside in the last 24 hours. And as a result, a whole ton of longs got wrecked, since the market did the opposite of what these leverage traders were betting against. So this is why I want to tell all of you to avoid leverage trading, because it is wrecking it for everybody in the market. This is because when all these leverage traders try to outsmart the market, they actually reflect a dump on Bitcoin and all other cryptos. And then the whole process slows down again, and then we have to wait 2 or 3 days before the crypto market comes back up again. So this is exactly why we are now seeing that Bitcoin is going down. And since Bitcoin affects other cryptos, we are seeing that Dogecoin is also down in the last 24 hours. And now if we come to the overall crypto market, we are seeing that it is not looking good right now. You can see that almost all of the cryptos are trading in the red right now, and this has led the total crypto market cap to fall around the $2.2 trillion level. Moreover, the total crypto market volume over the last 24 hours is around $97 billion, which makes a 3% decrease. So the thing is that after recovering quite well during the Christmas holidays, the crypto market is down yet again. And another thing is that the crypto fear and greed index has fallen to 27 points now. And this means that the fear sentiment in the market has started to grow back now. And this means that investors have again started to avoid investing in cryptos amid this new market meltdown. And now, if we come to Dogecoin's price, we are seeing that it has dropped below the 17 cents price region. And it was expected, since Bitcoin started to fall due to all the leverage trading things. So things are not looking so good right now for Dogecoin. But as I shared with you all about why the market has crashed, I think that this is going to be a short-term crash. It is highly likely that we will see the market rebounding in the next couple of days. So I don't think that Dogecoin holders should worry about seeing this crash. The leverage traders are going to back out now, so Dogecoin and the overall market are going to recover from here. But this crash should be taken as an important message for everyone that they should avoid leverage trading. And in this way, the crypto market will do much better. And while we are seeing that Dogecoin is on the low side right now, I'm still hoping that it is going to recover. This is because we just saw that Elon Musk has yet again endorsed Dogecoin. And as I shared in my previous video, Musk has stated that Dogecoin is much better than Bitcoin. He believes that Dogecoin has the lowest transaction rate, and it has a lot more scalability and utility. And this is why he has stated that Dogecoin is the best currency he has ever seen. So the point here is that Musk's latest endorsement for Dogecoin is going to help it come out of this crash. And it will provide Dogecoin with some stability in the coming days. Since we know that Musk has a lot of plans for Dogecoin, we are going to see Doge reaching new highs in the long term. And another thing I want to share here is that this is a good opportunity to buy cryptos on the dips. And as you can see here, most investors lose such opportunities and fail to take advantage of them. And we are now seeing that most investors think that they will buy crypto when it dips. And then when it goes down or the dip comes, they don't buy because they think that it is going to go lower from here. But the crypto doesn't go down from here, and it goes up. So investors keep going through this whole cycle. And what happens is investors always lose the opportunity of taking advantage of the dips. And since they don't buy on the dips, they don't receive gains when the market goes up. So I think this is exactly what crypto holders should avoid. And since we are again seeing Dogecoin and other crypto going for the dips, I think this is the right opportunity to get on the dips and wait for long-term gains. And now if we come to Bitcoin, we can see that it is down by about 5% in the last 24 hours. And currently, it is trading around the 47K price region. So this was an unexpected fall for Bitcoin, since it was looking pretty good recently when it was holding support above the 50K region. But as I explained earlier, the leverage traders came into action, and it led to this downtrend for Bitcoin and all other cryptos. But the good thing is that this Bitcoin dip hasn't changed the macro side of things. So we are now seeing that the macro fundamentals are still looking pretty good as Bitcoin is continuing to respect the 0.382 Fibonacci level. And this is really important because this Fibonacci level often indicates that Bitcoin will be long and everything is going to look good in the long term. And if Bitcoin managed to close this month over the 48K price level, then its price will move up as we enter the new year. So we have no problems with Bitcoin right now despite this dip. And as long as Bitcoin manages to end this month over the 48K range, it will still confirm the bullish outlook. And another thing we are seeing right now is that the current Bitcoin price formation on the weekly chart is strikingly similar to the end of September bottom formation. And it appears that this current dip is going to be short-term, and it may end up just being a wick on its weekly candle before a continued bullish reversal. So I know that a lot of holders are currently panicking and thinking like this is it for Bitcoin and the crypto market. But we must remember that we saw this kind of behavior way back in September. And at that time, we saw Bitcoin and the overall market rebounding from the dip. So it is highly likely that history is going to repeat itself now, and we are going to have a huge bullish reversal. And another thing is that, as you know, leverage traders have caused this crash. And now the crypto exchanges are basically flushing out all these leverage longs. So this is a good thing, and it means that there is nothing to be worried about and to panic, and things are going to get better in the coming days. And if Bitcoin will rebound from here, then we know that Dogecoin is also going to follow suit. This is because we know that their price correlation has remained on the high side throughout this month. And even now it is sitting around 0.91 level, which is pretty bullish for Dogecoin. So again, I'd like to remind all the Dogecoin holders out there not to panic during this dip. We are going to see Dogecoin recovering from here, especially seeing how Elon Musk is coming out to endorse Dogecoin again and again. And now let's come to Shiba Inu for a minute. So we are now seeing that just like other cryptos, Shiba Inu has also witnessed a dip in the last 24 hours. It has witnessed about a 7% decrease in its price and is now trading around the $0.000034 price level. But the good thing for Shiba Inu is that its price correlation with Bitcoin is also pretty high right now. And just like Dogecoin, if Bitcoin starts recovery from here, Shiba Inu will also move up. So this is a major bullish indicator for SHIB that will help it over the long term. And another major bullish indicator for SHIB is that its number of holders is increasing at a rapid pace. So Shiba Inu has managed to gain about 100,000 new holders just weeks after hitting the 1 million mark. And according to data from Whale Stats, Shiba Inu's current total holder count stands around 1.1 million, reflecting rapid growth in the number of holders. And we know that in terms of market prices, the rise in the number of holders can directly impact the token. So this is a bullish sign for SHIB. Moreover, from the perspective of primary growth, this is also indicating rapid growth in Shiba Inu's popularity and adoption. And another good thing for Shiba Inu is that it has recently retaken its #1 position among the top 1,000 Ethereum whales crypto assets, flipping FTX token. Moreover, we are now seeing that these 1,000 largest Ethereum whales now hold more than $1 billion worth of Shiba Inu tokens. So this means that Shiba Inu is now the most favorite and the most traded crypto among the Ethereum whales. And this is actually a bullish sign for it, indicating that whales are not losing their interest in Shiba Inu. And this will eventually help SHIB come out of this recent dip and start a decent recovery phase. So we know that Dogecoin and other cryptos are going through a dip, but we have just seen why the market is crashing and why it is going to recover from here. So again, I'd like to remind you all that Dogecoin will recover from here along with the overall crypto market.